Hi guys, Mr. Hull here. I bet you're thinking, how's he in my class? If I'm in your class. Does anybody know which class I'm in? I'm not going to tell you. I'd like to have a guess and maybe tell Miss Wetton or Miss Davis if you know whose classroom I'm in. But it's somebody in your school. So to start with today, we're going to need a few things to do our music lesson. Don't worry, we don't need any instruments. All we need is a pen or pencil, piece of paper, and something that we can kind of, like drumsticks, tap a beat to. If you haven't got drumsticks, it's okay. You can use two pens, two pencils. Make sure if you're using a pen, it doesn't leak. In the past, I've used these to tap with when I didn't have drumsticks. And the end came out and ink went everywhere. Wasn't good, and the teachers were not happy with me. So make sure you've got something just to tap. It could even just be two chopsticks. It could even be two spoons. It doesn't matter as long as you've got something to tap, because we're going to do some sequence and rhythm patterns today online. So our first part of our day is we're going to warm up our voices first. So I said first a lot of times. So let's go. I'm going to grab a chair. Should have already had one prepared. Chicken tikka, let's just say it, and it's going to get faster, faster, and faster, and faster. So here we go. It's going to go, and I'm probably a floating head now. It's going to go chicken tikka, chicken tikka, chicken tikka, masala. And it's going to get faster. Chicken tikka, chicken tikka, chicken tikka, masala. 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 Did you manage to do it? I couldn't, but just trying will have warmed up your mouth completely. Now to warm up our voices, we're going to sing 1, 2, 3. Whoa, it's exciting, but it's simpler than that. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, which is C, D, E. 1, 2, 3. Everybody with me now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, back down. 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to go to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to go to 8. We're going to skip 7 because we're going to go all the way to the octave, like an octopus or an octagon. 8 notes in an octave. Here we go. All the way to 8 and back down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. Now your voices and mouth has been warmed up. Let's warm up our bodies. This is quite a bit of fun. It's called, and some of you might already know it, if you can do it, it's going to be fantastic. It's called boom, snap, clap. So I would like you to copy me, and we're going to go like this. Boom, snap, clap. And if you can't snap, don't worry, just pretend to do it. Or you can practice it until you might get it. So very slowly, boom, snap. Really, well, that wasn't slow, was it? My fault. Let's do it slower. Boom, snap, clap. And again, 1, 2, 3. Boom, snap, clap. Very good. A little bit faster. Boom, snap, clap. Faster. Boom, snap, clap. Even faster. Boom, snap, clap. Good. Okay. Don't hit too hard, by the way. Don't hurt yourself. So you're going to go boom, snap, clap. And then the second part is going to be slightly more complicated. It's going to go boom, snap, clap. Ba-boom, snap, clap, snap. I know what you're thinking, oh, hang on a minute, that's quite a bit of stuff to be going on with. So let's do it again, but a bit slower. I'm going to do the second part first, the difficult part, and do that first. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ba-boom, snap, clap, snap. And again. Ba-boom, snap, clap, snap. Faster. Ba-boom, snap, clap, snap. Even faster. Ba-boom, snap, clap, snap. Now, can we put the first part, which goes boom, snap, clap, next to and go straight away into the complicated one, what goes ba-boom, snap, clap, snap. Let's give it a go, and I'm going to go really slow so you've got plenty of time to stay with me. And eventually we will speed it up, but now slow. Here we go. Boom, snap, clap. Ba-boom, snap, clap, snap. That was actually quite fast. I'm going to do it a little slow for anybody who struggled to keep up then, which is absolutely fine. This is, again, a warm-up. It's a bit of fun. Boom, snap, clap. Ba-boom, snap, clap, snap. A little faster. Boom, snap, clap. Ba-boom, snap, clap, snap. Faster. Ba-boom, snap, clap. Ba-boom, snap. Oh, I messed it up. Let's do it again. Really, fairly fast, but it's okay. Even I mess it up. 1, 2, 3. Ba-boom, snap. I've just done it again. I've done it again. Normally I'd edit this out, but I'm not going to. Because it's okay to make mistakes. Here we go again. From the beginning, I'm going to slow it down a little bit. Maybe it's too fast for me. Boom, snap, clap. Ba-boom, snap, clap, snap. Boom, snap, clap. Ba-boom, snap, clap, snap. If you managed to keep up with that one, well done. Fantastic. So for a bit of fun, I'd like everyone to stand up. Make some space around you so you're not going to fall over anything at home. And we're going to do the dog can. I know this is a really silly song. Some children have said to me that they've gone back home and they've told their parents, we've sang the dog can with Mr. Hall. And the parents have gone, well, how does it go? And it goes, my dog, he can do the can better than my cat can, but my goldfish can't because he has no legs. And they've gone, is that a real song? And it is. And if any of the parents ever doubted it, your children were telling the truth. So, here we go. There's some moves to this, but I know some of you may not know the moves, so I'm going to start from the beginnings. We're just going to sing it. I've just told you the words, I'll say them again. The lyrics for the song go, my dog, he can do the can better than my cat can, but my goldfish can't because he has no legs. Because the goldfish hasn't got any legs. How can he do the can? Or it's like this, or it's like this. I'm not sure actually, I forgot how to do the can. I know you've got to hop and kick. That's how you've got to do the can with the legs. But the lyrics, let's sing all together. Let's not dance because I've got some silly dance moves to do in a minute on top. It gets a little complicated, kind of like the boom, snap, clap, because we've got to clap at certain parts of the song as well. But don't worry, it will build that up. Here we go. My dog, he can do the can better than my cat can, but my goldfish can't because he has no legs. My dog, he can do the can better than my cat can, but my goldfish can't because it's hard. And you might be thinking, oh, at the end it changed, and it did. So it goes, my dog, he can do the can better than my cat can, but my goldfish can't because he has no legs. The second time it goes, my dog, he can do the can better than my cat can, but my goldfish can't because it's hard. It's even harder than hard. It's impossible for the fish with no legs. So the dance moves are like this. My dog, and we do a little jump, he can, and we do a clap. Every time we say can, we're going to clap. My dog, he can do the can better than my cat can, but my goldfish can't. Because he has no legs, and that's me symbolising the downwards of the notes. The downward of the notes? That's not how I'm supposed to say it. The descent of the notes. There we go. Okay, ready guys? My dog, he can do the can better than my cat can, but my goldfish can't because he has no legs. My dog, he can do the can better than my cat can, but my goldfish can't because it's hard. My dog, he can do the can better than my cat can, but my goldfish can't because he has no legs. My dog, he can do the can better than my cat can, but my goldfish can't because it's hard. Let's do the can guys. So it's hop and kick. You could fold your arms if you want to, or behind, hop and kick, hop, kick. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. My dog, he can do the can better than my cat can, but my goldfish can't because he has no legs. My dog, he can do the can better than my cat can, but my goldfish can't because it's hard. My dog, he can do the can better than my cat can, but my goldfish can't because he has no legs. My dog, he can do the can better than my cat can, but my goldfish can't because it's hard. Well done guys. Little out of breath. I hope you guys have as much fun as I have. Let's move on to the next thing. This is the part where we're going to need something you can tap. So you need either a chair, you could use the back of a chair, a table, a box, anything that you can tap. If you don't have these, like I said at the start of the video, you can use pens or pencils. Be careful if you use a pen. We need to have one in each hand, and we're going to do some different rhythm and patterns. Now, I do know that almost every single year group in the school love We Will Rock You. And we know the traditional way to do We Will Rock You would be 1, 2, together. So we would go. Let's give that a go. I'm going to give you a second, and you can pause the video now if you need to go and get some things. Anything. Don't be like this, boom, boom. You don't want that, you don't want that. You want something we can make a little tap, even this. It's good, but you need 2, 1 in each hand. Pause the video now. Okay, now you've got your things. Let's have a quick go at just doing 1, 2 together. Or spider, moth, spider, moth. 1, 2 together. Here we go. Done if you kept in time all the way through. That is one pattern, and in my mind I've got I don't know, a little box, and I'm going to put that pattern in the box. It's going to be a Tic Tac Box. If you don't know what Tic Tac Box is, it's going to be a little box of sweets or a box of chocolates or a box of biscuits, and that pattern 1, 2 together is my first little box, and I'm going to remember that first pattern: spider, moth, or 1, 2 together. Now the second pattern I would like you to learn goes like this. And I say in my head, caterpillar, moth. It's going to go like this. Have a quick practice at going caterpillar, moth. Because what we're going to do is, I'm going to put that on, the backing track. I'm going to put the backing track on, and let's just practice caterpillar, moth. And you can probably see where this might be going. We've got our first pattern, which is spider, moth, spider, moth, spider, moth. Then we're going to do our second pattern, which is this one. Let's give it a go. Excellent. So now I'm going to put that pattern next to my first pattern, spider, moth, second pattern, caterpillar, moth. And then I just dropped my drumstick. So guys, the last pattern, pattern number 4, is going to go spider, moth, spider, moth, spider, moth, spider, spider, moth. And it's the hardest one. I'm going to do it for you on the table. Spider, moth, spider, moth, spider, moth, spider, spider, moth. Now, that is a tricky one. If you don't do it straight away, don't worry. I'll probably mess up, but I'm not going to stop if I mess up because no one's going to notice. Maybe you won't even notice. But the first pattern, spider, moth. Second pattern, caterpillar, moth. Third pattern, spider, moth, spider, moth, spider, moth, spider, spider, moth. We're not going to do them all together the right way. We're going to practice that last one. So it's spider, moth, 1 time. Spider, moth, 2 times. Spider, moth, spider, spider, moth. One more last time. Let's try that on the start. Here we go. Spider, moth, spider, moth, spider, moth, spider, Now, dropping the drumstick. Now what we're going to do is we're going to glue them all together, and don't worry, I will tell you when to change to the second or third pattern. So start with spider moth, and I'll go spider moth, then I'll go caterpillar moth, and then I'll go spider, what should we call it? Pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3. That's going to be the easiest thing to say. Here we go. Pattern 1. Pattern 2, caterpillar. First pattern. Caterpillar moth. First pattern. Okay, hardest pattern, pattern number 4. You ready? 1, 2, and. Caterpillars. First pattern. Okay, get ready. Third pattern, hardest pattern. 2 and. First pattern. I messed up, see? Caterpillar moth. First pattern. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Give yourselves a bow. Round of applause. That was hard. It was a hard pattern to learn all together. Even harder. Well done. That brings us to our final part of our online lesson today. We need to have some paper and a pen or pencil, and I'd like you to write down everything that I'm doing on the board right now. I'll wait a second, and this is the perfect time to pause the video again to make sure you've got paper and pencil or pen. And also, I would like you to keep this piece of paper safe. We're going to start by drawing 5 lines. Don't draw it until you see what I've drawn. I want you to copy it. So they're quite long, these lines, and they're going to go like this. It's about halfway. We're going to go 1. We're going to do 1. And that was supposed to be straight. It's a bit wibbly wobbly. As straight as you can. Then we're going to leave quite a big gap. And we'll draw another line. 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do 5 lines on there. Great. We're not going to worry about anything else except for those 5 lines. I'd like you to draw a circle on each line. So the line goes straight through the middle of the circle. So this is a circle, the line needs to go through the middle. It's not above the line, sitting on it like that, or underneath it. The line goes straight through the middle of your circle. Here. I'd like you to do 1 line there, the next line with the circle on, the circle with the line through the middle there. The next line, circle here. Next one there. So it's kind of like a diagonal line of circles. Now, I'd like you to say after me, once you've done that, I'll give you a second. I'd like you to say after me, every good burger deserves fries. Can you say that again for me? And I'm going to point. Watch this when I'm pointing as well. We start from the bottom, we go to the top. Every good burger deserves fries. The first letter of each of those words is very important. So I want you to memorize every good burger deserves fries. E, G, B, D, F. Or E, G, B, D, F. It's really hard. So the easiest way around it is to go, every good burger deserves fries. Okay, using the first letter of each of these words is how we figure out which note is on what line. So to make it really easy, we just find the first sound, first letter, every, and I like to copy this down, every is got an E. Good has got a G or G. B for burger has got B or B. Every good burger deserves is a D or D. And then top one, every good burger deserves fries. The first sound or letter of the word is F or F. There we go. That's what I would like you to copy down for this week. And see if you can remember, every good burger deserves fries. That is everything, guys. Well done. I've had a lot of fun, and I hope you've had just as much as I have, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.